Hi guys, welcome to the video. It's 6:30 in the morning here in Chiang Mai, and today we are super proud to be doing the first departure ever of our 6-day gravel trip Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai. I'm heading to the shop now. I'm gonna meet Game, who's gonna be joining me on this trip, and then we're gonna go ride to the hotel to meet up with the customers. So here's Game, who's gonna be the ride leader for this gravel trip. How are you, bro?
Good. Super excited.
The first gravel trip?
Yep. Yep.
And Game's gonna be riding our new giantrevolt gravel bike with 45mm tires. We got 17 Celsius at the moment, and the max temperature today will be 28. First gravel trip for cycling Chiang Mai is underway. While we are waiting for the customers to get ready, I'll show you a bit the hotel that we choose to stay in the center of Niman. Here we have really nice swimming pool. Morning. Yeah guys, we have 23 kilometers now on the road. Yep. Before the first proper stop, and then we get into the gravel. Most roads we will go single line, okay? I'll show you guys what we have for snacks here. And this one must try. Sticky rice with banana inside, grilled sticky rice.
For me, it's the best.
Yummy. So from here to the next stop we have 16 kilometers. The longest gravel section today, 12 kilometers flat gravel. Alright guys, first gravel section, let's go! Incredible gravel conditions here. Very dry, compact, fine gravel. Super fast, super fun. The rice fields are green at the moment. So beautiful. Whew. We just finished pretty much the first part of the gravel. Clear. And we're gonna stop very soon now. Look at the bikes, man. Oh. Absolutely trashed in one segment. Yours is cool because it's wide. Next section, 14 kilometers, mostly gravel, and we start with the rollers, no flat anymore. Some ramps here up to 10%. In the middle of the jungle, super quiet, so nice. Just got into this dense forest, very shady, technical downhill. It's pretty cool temperature now. We're taking it easy, don't want any accidents. It's so fun. Nobody here, no cars, no motorbikes, just the four of us. So this is the last gravel section of the day. Easy, flat, cruising along the canal. On the other side we have a nice road. That's all the gravel for today. How's the Chinelli? Happy?
I think so. I'll have a chat with you later.
Got 40 kilometers of gravel today, plus.
Not bad.
Not bad. 80 kilometers in, we are in Meteng, and time to stop for lunch.
The like fish is sort of orange, red, green.
Yeah, that's good to have. A few kilometers away from the hotel, and nice roads. It's pretty much flat. Almost 3 p.m. Long day out. Can't wait to get to the hotel. Good job. Good job, Alex. day 1 of the gravel trip.
Just the beginning.
Yeah, I'm a bit cooked, but what a day. Super beautiful. I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
Really in the nature, everything is green. Not too bad for January. Time to rest in our hotel. We ended up just shy of 90 kilometers, 700 meters, 40% gravel. That was the difference, man, the gravel. How did you feel today on the gravel game?
Bit tired,
Bit tired, huh?
but more experience, huh? Good.
Yeah, it's super good, super different. Some of the segments we have here on Strava is like 4 people. So exactly the 4 riders that we did today. Looking forward to the next few days on this trip, 6 days, and we'll get to Chiang Rai. Today's 40% gravel, but some other days will be up to 60-70%. So it's really something special. So check out the upcoming videos and also check the link in the description if you want to check our future departures in 26 and 27 for the gravel trip, Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai. Cheers.